Tell me how you feel. Is it real?
The hum of aircraft engines over Kumasi is set to grow louder. The Kumasi International Airport, once a modest domestic hub, is undergoing a transformation that will redefine its role in West African aviation. At the heart of this change is the Runway Extension Project, an ambitious infrastructure endeavor designed to accommodate larger aircraft, boost international travel, and elevate Ghana's connectivity. For decades, Kumasi's runway, stretching just 1,981 meters, limited operations to smaller planes. But as Ghana's economy expanded, so did the need for a facility capable of handling wide-body jets, increased cargo, and non-stop intercontinental flights. The solution was clear: extend the runway to 2,320 meters, install modern navigational aids, and construct a new terminal fit for a true international gateway. This is the story of how a regional airport is being reborn as a key player in Africa's aviation future. Aviation experts have long emphasized the limitation of Kumasi's runway. While sufficient for turboprops and narrow-body aircraft like ATR-72 and Bombardier-8, it could not safely handle larger jets such as Boeing 737 or Airbus A320, aircraft that dominate international routes. The consequences were clear. International travelers bound for Kumasi had to connect through Accra, 18 hours to their journeys. Cargo operators avoided the airport, forcing exports to rely on costly road transport to Kotoka International Airport. Tourism potential remained untapped, as direct flights from Europe or neighboring African nations were impossible. Studies by Ghana Airport Company Limited confirmed that 339-meter extension coupled with runway stretching would unlock Kumasi's potential as a secondary international hub, easing congestion in Accra and stimulating economic growth in the Ashanti region. Extending a runway is no simple task. Before the first layer of asphalt was laid, teams conducted geotechnical surveys, analyzing soil stability, drainage patterns, and environmental impacts. The design called for lightening the runway to 2,320 meters, allowing safe takeoffs and landing for mid-sized jets, reinforcing the pavement to withstand the weight of fully loaded aircraft, installing Category 2 instrument landing system for precision approaches in poor weather, expanding apron space to park multiple aircraft simultaneously. Funding for the 130 million project came from a mix of government allocations and international loans, including support from African Development Bank. The Ghanaian Ministry of Transport oversaw procurement, ensuring contracts went to firms with proven expertise in aviation infrastructure. Construction began in earnest in the year 2019 with Sinohydro Corporation Limited, a Chinese engineering firm leading the charge. Early phases focused on clearing and leveling the extended runway area, excavating drainage channels to prevent flooding, a critical concern in Kumasi rainy climate, laying stabilized sub-base layers to ensure a solid foundation. By the year 2023, the project reached its halfway mark, with the runway's new segment taking shape. Workers operated around the clock, balancing speed with precision, yet challenges emerged. Unforeseen soil instability in some sections required additional compaction. Global supply chain delays push back deliveries of specialized lighting. Community concerns over noise and land use necessitated additional stakeholder meetings. Despite these hurdles, progress remained steady. Engineers employed cutting-edge laser grading technology to achieve the exact slope needed for safe water runoff, while quality control teams conducted daily tests on pavement density. The ripple effect, economic and social impact. The benefits of the extended runway extend far beyond aviation economists. A 30% increase in passenger traffic within 5 years, translating to more hotel bookings, restaurant visits, and local spendings. New cargo routes for Ghana's cocoa, gold, and handicrafts, reducing reliance on road transport. Over 2,000 direct and indirect jobs, from construction workers to retail staff, in expanded airport facilities. Airlines are already taking note. Ethiopian Airlines, Emirates, and Rwanda Air have expressed interest in adding Kumasi to their network, drawn by the Ashanti region. Ashanti region's 1.5 million annual visitors. Meanwhile, freight operators anticipated fast export times for perishable goods like pineapples and flowers. For locals, the project has brought immediate opportunities. Small businesses supply construction materials, whilst vocational training programs prepare young Ghanaians for careers in aviation and maintenance and logistics. No infrastructure project of this scale is without obstacles. The Kumasi's runway extension faced land acquisition disputes, acquiring mediation between traditional leaders and the government, environmental concerns as nearby wetlands needed protection during construction, budget adjustment due to fluctuating material costs, particularly for imported steel and concrete. Yet, each challenge yielded lessons. The Ghana Airport Company Limited now emphasizes early community engagement in future projects, while engineers have refined techniques for tropical soil stabilization, knowledge that will benefit other African airports. With the runway's completion expected in 2025, focus now shifts to the new terminal building, set to feature 6 boarding gates with jet bridges, modern baggage handling systems, VIP lounges, and retail spaces designed to showcase Ashanti culture. Aviation analysts suggest that Kumasi could eventually rival Kotoka International Airport for regional traffic, particularly if Open Skies agreements with ECOWAS are fully implemented. The long-term vision includes direct flights to London, Dubai, and Johannesburg, an aerospace maintenance hub to service West Africans' carriers, integration with the proposed Kumasi Light Rail, linking the airport to the city center. The Kumasi International Airport runway extension project is more than just an engineering milestone. It's a catalyst for transformation. By bridging gaps in connectivity, it positions Ghana as a leader in African aviation while honoring Kumasi's heritage as a crossroads of trade and culture. As the first international flight touches down on the new runway, it won't just mark the end of construction project. It will signal the beginning of a new era, one where the Garden City's ambitions take flight and Ghana soars higher than ever before. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Kojo Erison and this is Ghana in Focus. See you again in our next video. Peace out.
Tell me how you feel. Is it real? I don't wanna overthink. Is it all for show? I don't know. Feeling like I'm on the brink of something beautiful, or maybe terrible. I know I shouldn't ask you to be open with me when I have my secrets that I